The value of a painting can be determined by various factors, including its historical significance, the reputation and skill of the artist, its rarity, its condition, and its aesthetic appeal. Historical significance is often associated with paintings that are associated with important events, periods, or people. For example, a painting created during the Renaissance period or depicting a historical event may be considered valuable due to its cultural and historical significance. The reputation and skill of the artist can also influence the value of a painting. Paintings by well-known and highly regarded artists, such as Pablo Picasso, Vincent van Gogh, or Leonardo da Vinci, may command a high price due to their artistic mastery and the artist's reputation. Rarity is another factor that can make a painting valuable. Paintings that are unique, one-of-a-kind pieces, or have a limited number of copies, such as an original work by an artist, are considered rare and can be highly sought after by collectors. The condition of the painting is also essential. Paintings that are well preserved and have not suffered damage or deterioration over time are more valuable than those that are in poor condition. Finally, the aesthetic appeal of a painting, including its composition, color, and overall beauty, can also influence its value. Paintings that are considered aesthetically pleasing to a large number of people are likely to be more valuable. Overall, the value of a painting is influenced by multiple factors, and the combination of these factors can result in a unique and highly valuable piece of art.